In 1963, 15 criminals pulled off one of Britain's most daring heists and made one man a legend: the Great Train Robbery. £2.6 million stolen from a Royal Mail train in just 15 minutes. Ronnie Biggs and his crew had inside information. They knew exactly which train carried the cash. They set up a fake signal to stop the train, then transferred 120 mailbags of money before anyone knew what happened. Biggs got caught, sentenced to 30 years in prison. But 15 months later, he did the impossible. He escaped from Wandsworth Prison using a rope ladder to scale the wall. Then Biggs fled to Brazil, where extradition laws couldn't touch him. For over 35 years, he lived openly as a celebrity fugitive. He recorded music, appeared in movies, even sold autographs to tourists who came to meet Britain's most wanted man. The authorities could only watch as Biggs taunted them from across the ocean. He finally returned to Britain in 2001, voluntarily. The most famous train robber in history had beaten the system for decades.